everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a Slimming World food shop haul because I am back on Slimming World now and I just needed to get some more bits, some essentials for the house. So if you want to see what I've been buying, just keep watching. So this is everything we've got here, and with Christmas being done now, I just thought it's about time I, you know, shift some of this Christmas weight, well, summer weight, and yeah, this is what I've got. Okay, so I'm going to start over here with fruits and veg. So I've already got apples and frozen raspberries. So I got some bananas. I also got some strawberries because I really like those with my breakfast. I got some pears, and then onto veg I got some baby corn. I really like those. And I also got some sweet corn coblets. I just really like them. I know they're not like super free foods, but I think that they are free, so I got those anyway. And then over here I got some drinks. So I got green tea. This is for Mark because he likes green tea, and I went for the super green tea. It's like a boost one, the berry burst. I just got this because sometimes I don't want a tea or a coffee, but I do want a warm drink, especially when it's so cold. So I thought this would be really nice, and I've tried it before and I liked it. I also got some free range eggs. And I got some semi-skimmed milk. I went for semi-skimmed just because I don't really like skimmed when I'm having tea or coffee. It just waters it down too much. So I thought I would get the one in the middle. And then I got some Alpro soya milk, the chocolate version, because I really want to try this with my porridge in the mornings. If you've tried it, let me know what it's like. I've never tried soya milk before. I usually always have almond milk, and I've got loads of those stocked up. But I just wanted to give this one a little try, so let me know if you've tried that and what it's like. I went for my trusty yogurt, so I've got the, what flavour is this? The rhubarb crumble and custard flavour. I think this is kind of like a limited edition wintry one, which is so nice. I also went for smooth toffee and banana and custard. I really love those ones. And then for some frozen bits, I got some micro rice. This is egg rice, so I got this one for Mark. I'm not entirely sure on the sins for this one. I can't imagine it's very high, but if you know the sins of it, can you let me know, because I can't find it on my app. But I did get this one for me, and this is the long grain white rice, and this is no sins, and it's so good. You get so much in a pack, and you can just microwave it. So for people like me who are a bit lazy, this is good. I picked up some garden peas because we like peas in this house. Down here I got some corn pieces. I thought these would be handy for my lunches because I just need stuff to bulk out my lunch, and I never really know what to eat. So I really like corn. I like corn mince as well. They're just really nice to, again, bulk up your meals. I also got some chicken. So this is just chicken char grills, bird's eye ones. I think these are about 2.5 sins each, or maybe 3.5 sins, I think, actually. But they're really good. And then I got this. I've never actually tried this before, but it's roast beef pieces, and I think it's like 1 sin, 1 or 2 sins, I'm not entirely sure. Again, let me know if you've seen it. But when I was in store, I was kind of searching on my phone and it didn't look high in sins at all, so I got it. I also got the zingy sweet chili chicken chunks, just for my lunches and stuff. And then I got these. I haven't had these in absolute years, but they are like sin free. So I thought I would get them just for when I need a bit of a snack sometimes. I'm very like, if I haven't got anything to eat and I'm hungry, I'll just end up snacking on the wrong thing. So I thought I would get something like this that I can just snack on. So yeah, I got that. I also got some pasta. This is the pasta that the boys love as well. So I got 2 packs for us. And then I also got this, so just chopped tomatoes, but I went for the smaller tins because sometimes Mark or the boys won't want this and I want it, so I went for the smaller tins to save waste, and I got 4 of those. Also got some wheat biscuits, just 24 in there, for those are for Mark. And then I got myself these raisin wheats, which are a healthy extra B, which I thought was really good because I really struggle again to find like a nice cereal in the morning that I can have that's not like, you know, I would like quite a lot of it. So you can get 45 grams of this for your healthy extra B, so I was happy with that. I got myself some cloudy lemonade. Again, this is sin free, so I had to get that because they fill me up when I'm feeling a bit hungry. Sometimes I'll have them with my dinner. Got some cordial. This is mainly for the boys because I don't really like cordial that much. And again, we've got bread for the boys. What else we got? So some snacks. We got some Micados because I think these are like half a sin each. Curly Whirly. I haven't had these for so long, but I remember I used to love these when I was on Slimming World before. And I also got some caramel wafers, which I think are about 3 sins, so not too bad. And then down here I've just got a couple of bits for the boys, just for, you know, last minute dinners. Sausage and mash and mac and cheese. Got some roast chicken, so I always put this in the boys' sandwiches. They like those in their sandwiches. Again, these are for the boys, so chicken poppers, quiche, mini savoury mini eggs, and some chicken Kiev. So those are like the little naughty section, not for me. But yeah, that is basically what we got. I do have quite a few things already in the fridge and freezer, but I just wanted to stock up on some of the essentials. So okay, so that is the end of my haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you've got any great Slimming World tips or new foods that you've been trying lately and you love, let me know. Also, I'd love to know who your favourite like Instagram accounts are to follow that are on Slimming World, because I love finding new Slimming World accounts on Instagram, because that really inspires me and keeps me going. So yeah, let me know, and thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.